while the rear end and gas tank isn't currently installed, I want to get under here and put a Rust-Oleum coating. But first I want to clean the metal and scuff it up. I'll go as far as I can through the transmission tunnel, but I'm not going to go over the rubberized undercoating, just the metal. I have a pile of rags, the paint I want to use, the clean metal primer, some Rust-Oleum black, brushes, degreaser. We got a little electric fan here. This thing really puts out. I got the pressure washer out there. My pressure wash underneath instead of, manually scrubbing on it. And hopefully that works in my favor. And also, while I'm in a pressure washing mood, might as well pressure wash this. The fan doesn't put out as strong as I thought it would, but it's working. And it's a lot cleaner under there. I mean, I can do some manual scrubbing, no biggie. All the suspension is still in pieces. Some is waiting to get powder coated, some is powder coated, and bushings need to be pressed back in. So for now, to get the car moved to paint it better, I'm gonna rob the parts off my other RX-7. This thing is just about ready for some primer. Here's the first light coat of primer. I'm about to do a heavier second coat. Second coat of primer's been done. There's the first coat of the black paint, 50% coverage about. You hear me? About to skeet that second coat on. And the second thicker coat is on. I think it's looking pretty good. And this wasn't anything fancy, just some Rust-Oleum primer and black paint just under the car. It will never be seen. Chem Prime doing this thing on all that rust I let build up on this car. Engine bay, door jams, and then the hatch jam. And then any exposed metal on the outside the car. With clear coat.